Hello students, this is Rekha. Welcome back to the channel. Now we are going to learn class 10th lesson, circle lesson. This is the introduction video. Okay. First of all, what is a circle? Circle is a closed figure. It is a closed figure. It is in round shape. And in this one, every point on the curve, see here, every point on the curve is the same distance from the fixed point. Fixed point to every point on the curve is the same distance. This is the information about the circle. Okay, this is all the basic introduction. Okay, already you know this all. Next, parts of a circle. Now we are going to learn what are the parts of the circle. Okay, center, radius, diameter, chord, circumference, arc, sector, and segment. Okay, now what is the center of the circle? Carefully listen. See, what is the center of the circle? Okay, this point is then a circle midpoint is called center of the circle. Okay, next, what is the radius? Center over. Next, what is the radius of the circle? Radius, see beta. Center point to, see here, center point to, this is the center, you think, this is the center. Center point to your joining is called the circle. Your drawing one line is called a radius of the circle. In circle, how many radius are possible? Infinite number of radius. Okay, see, this is also one radius. Center to your joining part of the circle is called a radius. Here also, this is also radius. This is also radius. And this is also radius. So, how many radius are possible in the circle? Infinite number of radius are possible in the circle. Next, third point is the diameter of the circle. What is the diameter of the circle? Means center to passing line is called a diameter of the circle. See here, this is the center of the circle. I am joining, see here, center to passing line is, this is the diameter of the circle. How many diameters? See, this is also diameter of the circle. Like this, how many diameters are possible in the circle? Infinite number of diameters are possible in the circle. Radius also infinite, diameter also infinite. Radius double diameter. Radius you did double means it is diameter. Okay, diameter half is a radius. Okay, next, chord. Chord means what? See here, this is a chord. Okay, see here, this corner to this corner you are joining means this is a chord. Okay, diameter also chord. Okay, diameter also chord, but biggest chord what is there means diameter is the biggest chord. How many chords are possible in the circle? Infinite. See here, this is also chord. Here, this is also chord. How many chords are possible? Infinite number of chords are possible in the circle, and biggest chord is the diameter. Okay. Once again, see here, this is the center of the circle. This is the radius. How many radius are possible? Center to passing is a radius. How many radius are possible? Infinite number of radius are possible. Next, diameter. Diameter means what? Center to passing line is a diameter. How many diameters are possible? Infinite number of diameters are possible. Next, chord. Circle corner to this corner you are joining is a chord. How many chords are possible? Infinite number of chords are possible. Biggest chord what is there means diameter. Center to passing also, that is a chord, but it is a biggest chord. Biggest chord is called a diameter. Okay. Next, chord after we are going to learn circumference. See here, what is the circumference? Circumference means this corner is called a circumference. This full border of the circle is called a circumference of the circle. Next, what is the arc? Any part, one part of the circumference is a arc. See here, in this circumference we are taking only this much part means this is a arc of the circle. Next, we are going to learn sector. In this chapter, sector and segment, very important. Sums is there about sector and segment. So, see here, what is a sector? See here, this is the center point. Okay. Next, here we are taking two radius. Okay. Here one radius I am taking, and here also one radius I am taking. Okay. These two radius, so this is the arc. Okay, this area is called a sector. Okay, this is called a sector. Okay, these two radius here arc is there, so this area is called a sector. Okay, sector and segment, don't confuse. This is a sector. This now what is a segment? See here two sectors. Okay, two radius This is the arc. This middle region is called a sector. Again, this is a minor sector. Okay, minor sector. Next, try to understand. These two are radius. This is also arc. Okay. So this outer border is there. Now this is called major sector. See here, this is also sector. This outside also. This 2 is the radius. This is the arc. So this is also sector. This is called major sector. Major sector. Okay. This is a major sector. Okay. Try to understand. This one is a minor sector. This outside border is a major sector. Next, we are going to learn segment. What is a segment? See here, beta. What is a segment? See here. See here. This is a chord. This chord, this is a arc. This chord, arc, middle region is there. Now, this is called a segment. Next, this is a chord and outside border. This is also arc. Chord, arc. This region is there. Now, this is called segment. Okay. This is a minor segment. This is a major segment. This is a small segment. So, it is a minor segment. Okay. Next, this outside, this region is there. Now, this is called major segment. Major segment. Okay. Don't confuse about sector and segment. This is very important in this lesson. To radius, middle, arc. This region is called a sector. This is a minor, outside is a major sector. Next, chord, arc. This region is called a segment. This is a minor segment. This is a major segment. Okay. So, what are the part of the circle is that? Center of the circle. Next, center of the circle. Center of the circle, radius, diameter, chord. Next, what is there? Circumference. This border is the circumference. Part of a circle is called a arc. Next, this is the sector and segment. In sector, minor sector and major sector, minor segment and major segment. This is the basic introduction. Okay. Now, next topic is lines and circles. Okay, see here, this is a circle, this is a line. Here, non-intersecting line. This line is not meeting any point on the circle. So, this is a non-intersecting line. Next, you come second circle, means carefully observe here. This line is touching one point to the circle. This circle, one point, this line is meeting. Okay. This type of lines is, this line is called tangent. Okay. This is called tangent. In this circle, one and only one point, one line meeting means this is called a tangent. Next, you come third circle. This is the third circle. This line you observed means it is meeting in 2 points. Here meeting is 1 point. Here no meeting. No meeting means it is non-intersecting lines. Okay, non-intersecting line. Next, second circle observed means this line is meeting to the circle 1 point. 1 point meeting means it is called a tangent. Next, you come to the third circle means this line meeting to the circle 2 points. 2 points it is meeting means it is called a secant. Okay. C-A-N-T, secant. So, here non-intersecting, but here 1 point meeting. This is called a tangent. Here this line is meeting 2 points. It is called a secant. Okay, this point you keep in mind. This is a tangent. This is a secant. Next, definition of the tangent. Okay, a line which intersects the circle in 1 point is called a tangent. But this point is called point of contact. Keep in mind, point of contact. This is called point of contact. This point is called a point of contact. This is a tangent. Tangent means any circle. This line is meeting 1 point is called a tangent. But this point name what? Point of contact. Okay. This is the definition of tangent. Next we will go to secant. What is a secant? Secant means a line which intersects the circle 2 distinct points. It is meeting 2 distinct points. This is called a secant. A line which intersects to the circle 2 distinct points is called a secant. Next, now see here. One more point you have to keep in your mind. Okay, there is only one tangent at point of the circle. Okay, any point. In circle, how many tangents possible means so many tangents possible. But one point to, we can draw only one tangent. See here point is there. How many tangents is drawing possible? Only one tangent drawing is a possible. Okay. Next here one more point is there. So here this point to, how many tangents is drawing possible? Only one tangent, not even other. See here. Now you are taking like this lines means it will meet 2 points. Okay. So one point is there means one point to, how many tangents? See here one point is there. I am drawing here one tangent. Okay. One point to, how many tangents are drawing possible? Only one tangent is drawing possible. Now, next point is see beta. There are exactly two tangents to a circle through a point lying outside the circle. Okay, see here, outside the circle, one point is there. This point to, how many tangents drawing is possible means two tangents drawing is a possible. Next, this point outside you are taking one dot. This point is called point of external point. This point is called external point. External point. EXTERNAL external point. Okay, this point is called external point. This external point to, how many tangents drawing is possible means two tangents drawing is a possible. Okay, next to see here I am explaining one more time. We will take how to draw external point. See here I am taking outside one point, external point. Anywhere you take one dot. Okay, this point is called external point. This external point to, how many tangents drawing is possible? Two tangents. Here one tangent. Next here also I am drawing one line. This is here also one tangent. So external point to, external point means outside, any point, anywhere you take here also point. Okay, this is a external point. This external point to, how many tangents drawing is possible? Two tangents. Here this is one tangent and this is also one tangent. Okay, so external point to, how many tangents drawing is possible? Two tangents. Okay, this outside point is called a external point. Okay, sometimes we will ask one more question. That questions we will clarify. As here what is there? How many tangents from a single point? One single point to, how many tangents are possible? Here I am taking one single point. Single point to, how many tangents possible? One tangent. Okay, here you take single point. Here also how many tangents are possible? Here you are taking one single point. This single point to, how many tangents are possible? One tangent. So one single point to, how many tangents are possible means one tangent. Okay, next second question. See here, how many tangents are parallel on a single circle? Okay, see here, single circle to, how many tangents are parallel? See here, one circle is there means how many tangents are parallel? Here one parallel, here one parallel. So how many tangents are parallel? Two tangents are parallel. Okay, next you are taking circle means here also one parallel, here also. See here, like this circle is there. Here you can take one parallel, here you can take parallel. So one single circle to, how many tangents are parallel means two tangents are parallel. See here one tangent, here one tangent. How many tangents are parallel? Two tangents are parallel. Next, third question. See here, what is third question? How many tangents are parallel to a secant on a circle? Secant, this point is meeting 2 points. So this is a secant. This is secant to, how many tangents are parallel? Here one tangent, here one tangent. So how many tangents are parallel to the secant to the circle? Two tangents can be parallel to a secant. Secant is there means two tangents are parallel. Like this, he will ask one more questions. Okay, no confuse for this one. This is the basic introduction of circles lesson. Again, next video in this chapter, two theorems are there. That is very important theorems. First, we will learn that theorems. After we will go to exercise. I hope you understood this introduction video. I think. Again, you have any doubts also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.